If you want a wear-free way to join shaft components, take a look at locking assemblies. These devices can take the place of traditional keyed couplings that can wear and slip over time. Here's how locking assemblies work. The locking assembly installs between the shaft and its mating component. As you tighten the assembly, it expands radially, creating a robust compression fit between the shaft components. Within the device, the compression forces are generated through the interaction of tapered surfaces on the locking assembly's inner and outer thrust rings. Unlike keyways, which concentrate torque transmission stresses along a single line of contact, locking assemblies uniformly distribute stresses over 360 degrees of contact, eliminating wear and reducing maintenance costs. To see how easy it is to install, adjust, and remove locking assemblies, check out our related installation video.